Welcome back. Another template that you can use that will extract information from the content that you give it is the business or product name template. We can click on that template. And what you'll notice is that Jasper is going to ask you for 800 characters about your business or your product. And then you're also going to be asked to include specific keywords. Now we have written in our keywords. We've determined how many different kinds of output we're going to have, and we're going to use the default, which is 3, and we're going to change this from the default, which is 3, to 5. Once we have all of our parameters in, we can then click Generate. And once you have your output, if you don't like that output, you can add in more content. And once we add in new content, we can then click Generate again. And you'll see that we have new elements in front of us where we can choose a specific product name given the parameters that we have given Jasper. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.